Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Sean Austin here from Sean's Rabbit and Aquaponic Produce.
And Sean McLean.
Correction, Sean Austin and Sean McLean from Sean's Rabbit and Aquaponic Produce. And we have some exciting things coming for you guys.
Yes, you guys, 2022 is the year, right? We're going to go on a Caribbean tour where we're going to be going to the islands and spreading the word. We started in Barbados. Stay tuned. In collaboration with ProCage, one of our sponsors, one of our collaborators for the Caribbean, exciting new things coming in. We're going to be there in Barbados, April 30th, 2022. Remember the date. And we'll be discussing a lot of things, including rabbit production in a commercial way, how you can make and maximize your profits with rabbits, and of course, artificial insemination and the importance of it in a commercial setting. So stay tuned. Yeah, also 2022. We've been at this a while, we've seen good success, we always wanted to raise our profile in terms of how we do things, we got a lot of positive feedback from all our viewers, especially in the Caribbean. So this year, let's head out there,
Definitely, we could start giving back in a sense for all the support that we've received over the years.
Yeah.
We can really venture out there and share the information. So, I'm loving this idea of the Caribbean tour.
Yeah, definitely.
So, let us know in the comments what you think, right? Sean's Rabbitry, we're launching a Caribbean rabbit workshop and we'll be touring the islands, right? Our first stop obviously is
Barbados, and we are looking for collaboration. So even though it's our project, we want to share it with you guys. So in all the countries, all the islands that we intend on visiting, we're looking for collaborations with you guys. We have a vast viewership out there, a lot of people who show so much passion and interest in the topics that we discuss. So we want to be able to pay that forward and to help more people in those islands, so that with this collaboration we could get these workshops going where a lot more farmers could benefit from what we've been trying to do. For a greater part of the last 2 years, because of COVID, a lot of things were different. But now that it seems as things are going back to normal, we really want to push this venture. And of course, we can't do it without you guys. We won't be here where we are without you guys, and we can't do this without you. So going forward, that's part of our plan for 2022, And even during this time, when COVID was most prevalent, we've been working behind the scenes. I know you all have been asking us about videos, that's why Sean and I decided to start back really doing the videos. And of course, Sean is the person who you all see more often in the videos. And behind the scenes, we've been doing a lot. When things open back up, a lot of changes to the farm. We've done a lot of work whilst things were closed off. You'll be amazed to see the changes that we have. We've added a lot of attractions. We've added a lot of different things to appeal to different age groups, because as you all know, for us it's not just about the business, it's about the passion of rabbit rearing. But also we have a mission to bring youths and younger people into this type of agricultural rabbit husbandry type of setting. So we're working hard at that to make the farm a place where people want to come. So we're going to be starting back our tours also from the time it is regulated and we could start back. We're going to be starting back the tours. A lot to see, a lot to do also, exciting times here at Sean's Rabbitry and Aquaponic Produce, So just saying thanks. We're saying thanks to thanks for the support, thanks to all our viewers, and of course, if you may be new to this and you want to know who's Sean's Rabbitry and Aquaponic Produce, please
feel free
to
do a Google search.
Right. So it's what we've been about for the last couple of years, really giving that information freely. Just trying our best to contribute in a positive way to the agricultural sector, but more importantly and more specifically to rabbit rearing in the country. Rabbits have a lot of ups and downs, as with other industries. The sheep and goat farmers will say the same thing, poultry farmers, people who do short-term crops, long-term crops, you will hear the challenges that they have, and we've had many challenges, believe me, but we've been persistent because we're passionate about what we do, and we never got into this business about money. As you always say, get into a business as something that you're passionate and that you love, and the money will follow. You put in the work, put in the time, and the money will follow. We stuck to that. We've had some positive interactions and collaborations over the years. We have collaborated even recently with Kariri, what we come to realize is that the more you put out there, you become recognized for what you do, and we have benefited from some really meaningful collaborations with Kariri. We've had collaborations with other entities, over the years, and we're just thankful for it, and we're just trying to move from strength to strength. And this 2022, our message is to get the message out there in a more practical and meaningful way than just seeing us on YouTube or on social media. So we come into the Caribbean, and we also reopen all our tours here on the farm whenever it is legal to do that. Of course, all protocols that are in place will be observed. We have the infrastructure there. We have the expertise on board, in terms of how we regulate things. And it's going to be fun. It's really going to be fun. And a lot of people can't wait to just get back out in some kind of way, for real. So we got you. We got you. We got all our fans, all our viewers, all our subscribers. We got you. So those who could make it when we go to the Caribbean islands, if we're in an island that you live in, please come out. And for our base right here in Trinidad, please come to the farm. We're inviting you guys.
Yeah, so guys, yes, it's all about, helping other people to rise up as well. Something we always say at Sean's Rabbit and Aquatic Produce, that no one person can be an industry. So we need each and every one of you rabbit farmers, as long as you're aspiring to go beyond just backyard setting, as well as the backyard people. But if you're looking to do it in a profitable way, then we definitely need you guys to come on board. And especially for our followers here in Trinidad and Tobago, we need the support from you guys, because we are presently in talks with a few other senior rabbit farmers, as well as persons who served under a previous administration, to reactivate a vibrant Rabbit Farmers Association here in Trinidad and Tobago. So we're going to need you guys to give us that support. And one of the ways you can also support us, right, Sean, tell them about the CSO.
Right, so one of the challenges we always have in any industry, especially in Trinidad, is data and data collection. So the CSO, the Central Statistical Office, would have reached out to us, and we have been in collaboration with them within recent times, right? And we know for the avid rabbit farmers, they may have also reached out to you. So we are imploring you guys to help by giving accurate and correct information, right? The only way that we could bring back this industry in any meaningful way, with the assistance of the government, is if they have the correct statistics, the correct data, so that they could make informed decisions that will in turn help us, the rabbit farmers. So we're asking you guys again, if they reach out to you, please help them out. Give them the information to the best of your knowledge. And of course, remember, we always encourage documentation. So for our real diehards, or they're supposed to have all their notes, or they're supposed to have all their Excel sheets, or they're supposed to have all their data. Because we know this industry, for it to grow, has to be driven by data. It can't be hocus pocus like in the past,
No hit and miss, guesswork.
No guesswork.
No, we need precision.
It has to be driven by data. So we encourage you guys, even on a one-on-one level, to continue to collect your data. Because again, you won't know if you're profitable or you know what's the next move for you. Let me give you all a story. One of the reasons why we survived during COVID is because we had data and we were able to pivot our business in terms of how we were looking at it when certain things either dried up or totally closed off. You know? So that helped us, and I know that will be able to help you no matter what scale it's on, whether you're making a business decision, whether you have investors who would like to invest with you. You must have a plan and you must have data that supports and drives that plan. So please continue to document what you do. Continue to have your data available. And when if contacted by CSO, give them the data. You know, it's to help us in the long run, us rabbit farmers. You know, so just remember that no one person could do this, and in order for us to get probably the assistance that we need, this data collection exercise that is happening through the CSO is important. So you can support it. We do.
Definitely we did.
Yeah, we did.
Right? So, guys, if it's your first time pulling up with us, definitely hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll get notifications whenever we upload new content. For regulars, we're glad to have you here. Thanks for watching.
You know, Sean McLean,
Sean Austin,
for Sean's Rabbitry and Aquaponics. Stay tuned. See you next time. April the 30th, 2022, Barbados.
Yes, guys. So for more information, of course, contact ProCage Barbados at this number 246-247-8836. And of course, follow us on all our social media so you can get weekly updates. Barbados, we're coming.